Hey! In today's video, we will show you how to swap, add, or delete anything in your AI videos using Kling AI's Multi-Elements tool. This tool is a game changer. Let's dive in. Log into your Kling AI dashboard using Gmail account. Click on Video. Once you're in, click on Multi-Elements. You will notice that it will change to Kling 1.6. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find the swap, add, and delete options right there. To get started, we will swap the black wheel for the blue ring wheel. Click Upload Video and select the video you'd like to edit. Go ahead and select the black wheel that we want to swap and click Confirm. Under Upload Image, upload the blue ring wheel image that we want to replace. In the prompt field, type Replace the two wheels in the video with blue rings from the blue ring wheel image and hit Generate. Kling will generate the updated scene. Hang in there. Generating results can take a little time, and sometimes it takes a few tries to get it just right. Don't worry, that's all part of the creative process. Check out the result. That's impressive. The blue ring wheel replaced the black one flawlessly with perfect lighting and placement. To add in our AI robot, click on Add option. Upload the AI robot image. In the prompt field, type, using the context of editing video, seamlessly AI robot from AI image, and click on Generate. Let's check the result. AI robot is now part of the scene, blended in naturally. Pretty cool. Now let's remove the black car. Click on Delete and upload the editing video. Select the black car and hit Confirm. In the prompt field, type Delete the black car from the editing video. Click on Generate. Look at that. The black car disappeared without a trace. Kling did an amazing job blending the background. If everything looks good, just download the video. You now have a fully customized AI video, tailored to your vision. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with what you'd like to see next.